Hey guys, so Christmas is in full swing now. Hope you're enjoying this season. Today's cookie is the no-bake chocolate peanut butter cookie. These are so easy to make. You get all of your ingredients, most ingredients you have in your house already in the pantry. You get your ingredients together and you put them in a saucepan. You melt the butter and the sugar and you stir in everything, and then they're so easy to do. You just scoop them out and drop them on wax paper. This is a very easy recipe, and again, this cookie is so very delicious, and we're going to show you how to make those right now. Now it's very important, once this starts to boil, set a timer because you only want this to boil for 60 seconds. Then you want to turn the heat off and pull it off of the stove. Then we add the rest of our ingredients and we mix. And then here I just use a cookie scoop just so that they all turn out to be about the same size. And there you have it, a no-bake chocolate peanut butter drop cookie. They are so very delicious. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.